In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian authorities have suspended mobile internet services in Jammu and Rajouri districts today on the occasion of the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to hide real ground situation of the territory from the outside world. Meanwhile, Indian Army helicopters and drones are conducting aerial and ground surveillance in Jammu, Rajouri and Kashmir Valley on the occasion of Amit Shah's 3 days visit. Hurriyat leaders from both sides of the line of control have expressed grave concern over deteriorating health condition of illegally detained APHC leader Altaf Ahmad Shah, currently lodged in New Delhi's Tihar jail. APHC leader Mohammad Yusuf Naqash, in a statement issued in Srinagar, appealed to the international community to urgently intervene for the release of cancer patient Altaf Shah from Indian jail, so that his family can treat him without any delay or difficulty. Complete shutdown will be observed in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir tomorrow against the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to the territory. Call for the strike has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference to convey a strong message to India and the international community that people of Jammu and Kashmir are not ready to accept anything short of right of self-determination as pledged by the United Nations. Call for the strike has been supported by other parties and leaders. The Jammu and Kashmir Pradesh Congress Committee President Waqar Rasoolwani and Working President Raman Bhalla have said that the Bharatiya Janata Party has let down the people of Jammu and Kashmir on all fronts, besides creating a discord on the basis of ethnicity and regionalism in the territory. Speaking on an occasion, Wani slammed BJP for putting Jammu and Kashmir's interest and development subservient to the players of the vested interests. The United Jihad Council has announced its full support for the All Parties Hurriyat Conference call for a strike tomorrow against Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The United Jihad Council, in a statement issued in Muzaffarabad, said that there would be a complete shutdown in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir tomorrow against the Indian Home Minister, who is executing his desire to wipe out the minorities in India in general and Muslims in particular, and is taking away the basic rights of the Kashmiri people in the territory. In the ongoing Hindutva drive launched by Modi's BJP government to turn Jammu and Kashmir into a Hindu state, century-old Ganesh temple has been opened in Handwara town, Kupwara district, which is a Muslim area with only a few Hindu people. Hindus from across the India were brought to the temple for prayers during the opening ceremony. After infliction of heavy losses due to the deliberate halting of trucks on the Srinagar-Jammu highway by the Indian authorities on lame excuses, apple growers in Kashmir are now suffering because of increase in freight charges, transport shortage and low demand of the fruit, as duty-free import of Iranian apple has already hit the market.